Wagwan, welcome back to the channel, guys. I just stopped by my favorite jerk chicken spot and get me a quarter chicken breast. So I'm going to use this chicken breast to make me a Rasta pasta for lunch. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the flex. First thing first, we're going to start with a pot of boiling water. First I'm going to add some salt for the pasta, a bit of olive oil to prevent it from sticking. The packet said 11 to 13 minutes. We're going to cook it for 10 minutes and then the other 3 minutes in the sauce. While this is cooking, I'm going to go ahead and prep the other ingredients. Okay, this is finished. Take this off now. Now I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil. Olive oil, I'm using olive oil. Gonna add my onion. Saute this onion until it gets translucent. Also adding my garlic. Some thyme. This flavor start to wake up the kitchen. Now I'm gonna add my bell pepper. It's too big. So guys, we want the bell pepper to soften a bit before we add anything else to it. I don't want the garlic to burn though. So we're going to turn that heat down a bit. Yeah, they're getting there. Now I'm going to add my tomato. Give it some color. Guys, I didn't get any red bell pepper, so that's the reason why I don't see any red bell pepper. So I'm using my tomato to give it that color still. Now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of jerk seasoning. Also a teaspoon of smoked paprika. Remember guys, this is I'm giving it an island flavor. Yes guys, getting there. Now I'm going to add my cup of milk guys. This is coconut milk. I love this coconut milk, it's rich with flavor. Also adding guys 7 ounces of cooking cream. Add me a pinch of salt. Some black pepper. I'm gonna let it simmer for a few minutes and then stir in my cheese. Also, we'll be adding a little more jerk seasoning. Now guys, I'm gonna prepare my chicken while my sauce is simmering. Now I'm gonna add my pasta. Wow, it's creamy. Now it's time to add my chicken. Also gonna add me some parsley, some dry parsley. Okay, I'm not gonna add a lot of cheese to this, guys. Me and cheese is not friend. So I'm gonna sprinkle some Parmesan cheese on top. Let it melt here. Yeah, that's good for me. Right there. Sit for a minute and then I turn it. Let this simmer for another 3 minutes. Guys, you have to try this recipe. Jerk chicken stand up in it. I mean, stand at attention. Creamy, spicy, tasting delicious. For real, guys, for real. I think this is the best jerk chicken in Kingston. I mean, this chicken is bad. Guys, remember to like the video, guys, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more cooking like this.